want to discuss normal, extravascular, and intravascular destruction of red blood cells. 90% occurs extravascularly, 5 to 10% occurs intravascularly. Again, this is normal destruction of red blood cells. So let's focus quickly on extravascular destruction. The RES cells phagocytize and then digest the components of the red blood cell. It breaks it up into iron, globin, and protoporphyrin ring. That protoporphyrin ring is disassembled. So the iron gets bound to transferrin, and transferrin takes the iron to bone marrow to make new hemoglobin. Globin goes back to the amino acid pool, and carbon is exhaled, and you're left with biliverdin. That biliverdin is converted to bilirubin. Albumin binds bilirubin to carry it to the liver. In intravascular destruction of red blood cells, you just have a red blood cell in the blood vessel. It ruptures and releases hemoglobin dimers. The hemoglobin gets attached to haptoglobin, and then that complex gets carried to liver cells. I'm not going to spend too much time going into free hemoglobin at this point, but just realize that if there's a lot of intravascular hemolysis taking place, which is not normal, this hemoglobin ends up not having enough haptoglobin to take it to the liver. So this free hemoglobin can show up in your urine, and that's not good. But anyways, going back to our normal red blood cell destruction, we're going to concentrate now, we're in the liver with this bilirubin. Most of it came from extravascular destruction of red cells, but a little bit of it came from intravascular. So in the liver, this bilirubin conjugates to a bilirubin glucuronide. It's then converted in the large intestine to urobilinogen and excreted in stool. But some of that urobilinogen is taken back up to the liver, filtered by the kidneys, and excreted in urine. So you can have a little bit of urobilinogen normally seen in your urine. Most of it, though, goes into your stool as stercobilinogen. I also want to make sure you understand unconjugated is the same as indirect. It's the prehepatic bilirubin. Conjugated is the same as direct or posthepatic bilirubin. So take notes from this video, go over them. Understanding what normally happens is going to help you understand when it can go horribly wrong. So get the normal destruction of red blood cells down.